Good morning, everyone. Just a quick video to show you how to sign into Flipgrid. So if you're on Google, you can type in flipgrid.com. It'll take you to the Flipgrid page, and you're going to ignore all this stuff up here, and you can choose enter a flip code over here, and you're going to put in the flip code that I gave you. This is Drama 1's flip code. And you're going to sign in with your Microsoft, your school email address. It automatically did mine because I've been in here a couple times. But you're going to put in your, first.last@students.cobk12, etc. Log in, and you'll come on in and it'll show you your assignments. And you can upload your video. Look, I already have 3 and I've already watched 2 of them. And it's such a pleasure to see you guys online this morning. So I hope that your day goes well, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow during our conversation with Michael Stiggers. Y'all have a great day.